Hi folks, Don from the Blue Sage Merchant here. We're an eBay drop-off store and have many treasures come across our desk. Today we have a Bernina B550 Quilters Edition sewing machine, and it looks great and operates smooth, but we need to find out the hours of use by the previous owner to determine exactly how used this quilting machine really is. First, make sure that the machine is turned off. Then, while pressing and holding down the reverse button, turn the power switch back on. Now hold down that reverse switch until the screen shows up. There. You can release the reverse switch and then hit the clock symbol here and hit OK, and voila! Hours of use screen is visible. Now all the numbers are in hours and minutes. The most important number here is the time sewing. This shows you how much total time was spent with the unit actually working, as opposed to being just idle or standing by. That would be the standby time or the total time. At under 46 hours sewing time, this machine has seen low usage, and that is good news for the new owner. I hope this handy trick has been helpful. Please like and comment on this video, and check out our YouTube channel for more quality treasures. Thanks for watching.